Hi, I'm Carlo Concordia, and I just graduated from law school. So I'm unemployed now before going to the seminar. Actually, madami. From the time I got here, wala akong idea kung anong mangyayari. But now I am going home with, for example, the needs versus wants, the difference, and then the 80-20, 80 spend, 20 save. So parang napakalaking bagay sa akin nun kasi hindi pa ako nakakahawak ng sweldo. But I feel that I'm in an advantage position na I can follow my money, I can invest my money, I can keep my money para hindi ko siya ma-mishandle. So it's very informative, saka very interesting talaga. Sir Arman Becco is very engaging. Gumagamit siya ng positive reinforcement para ma-participate lahat ng audience. Sa technique niya, mapapalisan ka talaga. Saka, he's making difficult concepts very simple na ma-absorb ng mga practical na tao without really knowing technical jargon. So, he's a very effective speaker. I will look forward to having more seminars with him. Ayun po. After I go home, I am excited to share my knowledge to my parents, to my friends, and to open their minds na money is worth investing, or money is worth taking care of. Kasi nga, pera na pinaghirapan mo, palaguin mo. So, natatak sa akin yun. Saka, I'm willing to share the knowledge that I gain. Ayun po.